to be having Lucy right here react to the RoboVac vacuum. She has reacted to it before, but that was only like 2 or 3 times. But I'm not gonna spoil her reaction because I want you guys to see it.
Oh, and if you hear, if you hear the TV, I'm watching a football game.
Yeah, that's just a football game, so don't mind that. But let's turn on the RoboVac. All right, so let's turn it on. Take a seat here.
Make it like, make it like.
She's like looking at me like, get it away! Look, Lucy! Look, Lucy! Look, you're gonna get swallowed. Wait, where's the remote for it?
Lucy, go, go, go. You get it.
Lucy, what is it? Lucy, look!
Go.
Lucy, look! Here, guys, I'm gonna get the remote so I can, like, control it. And then she'll, like, run away from it more, and I can, like, control it to where it's coming to her. I'm making a YouTube video about it. Lucy, look, it's coming!
She's like, what do I do? It's coming to attack, Lucy.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Did you find the game?
Guys, look.
Yeah, you found it.
Lucy, look, it's coming for you! She just ran away. Oh, and guys, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but happy Thanksgiving. Lucy just ran away. She's a beauty cat. All right, guys, well, that was it for this video. Make sure to smash that like button. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. So that's the red button that says subscribe. Turn it from red to gray. And make sure to hit the notification bells right next to the red button so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment and do all the things I just said. And hope you enjoyed. Bye.